Hornbill is the festival of which of the following states? The correct answer is C, that is Nagaland. So Hornbill festival is held at Naga Heritage Village, Kisama, which is about 12 kilometers from Kohima. And all tribes of Nagaland take part in this festival. And the focus of this festival, or we can say the aim of this festival, is to revive and protect the rich culture of Nagaland and display extravaganza and traditions. Who amongst the following is a renowned Indian classical dancer? The correct answer is C, that is Sonal Mansingh. So Sonal Mansingh is an Indian classical dancer and guru Bharatnatyam and Odissi dancing style. She has been nominated by the President of India to become a Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha. Jainism was founded by, so the correct answer is B, that is Nataputta Mahavira. So Jainism is similar to Buddhism and it was an important rival in India. It was founded by Vardhaman Janatiputra or Nataputta Mahavira in 599 to 527 BC. Which city is considered as Manchester of India? The correct answer is D, Ahmedabad. So the common thing is both cities boast attractive riverside locations and have the perfect temperature for cotton spinning. How many classical dance forms are there in India? The correct answer is A, that is 8. So the Sangeet Natak Academy currently confers classical status on 8 Indian classical dance styles. First is Bharatnatyam, which is from Tamil Nadu. Then second one is Kathak, which is from North, West and Central India. Then Kathakali from Kerala. Then Kuchipudi from AP, that is Andhra Pradesh. Then Odissi, this is from Odisha. Manipuri from Manipur. And Mohiniyattam, this is also from Kerala. And the last one is Satariya from Assam. So here are the total 8 dance forms. Dhumal is the popular dance form of which of the following states? The correct answer is B, Kashmir. So Dhumal is a dance performed in Indian territory of Jammu and Kashmir by the Vatal tribes. And only the man folk of the Vatal are privileged to perform this dance on specific occasion in a set of location. Which one of the following categories of forest is considered as the best on the basis of their utility? The correct answer is A, that is reserved forest. In which state are the Badami caves situated? The correct answer is A, that is Karnataka. So Badami cave temples are located in the town of Badami in the north central part of Karnataka. And the temples are about 88 miles east of Belgavi and 87 northwest of Hampi. Nirvana, the literal meaning of which is blowing out or quenching, is related to which of the religions? The correct answer is C, Buddhism. So it is the most used as well as the earliest term to describe the goals in Buddhism. Alpna is a traditional folk art of which state? The correct answer is B, that is West Bengal. Which of the following is considered as a port town of Indus Valley civilization? The correct answer is B, that is Lothal. So Lothal is a port city in Gujarat and located on the bank of Bhogava river. Which of the following is a war related dance? The correct answer is C, Chhau of Mayurbhanj. So the warrior in this dance dress in their traditional costumes and follow strict techniques of Chhau while performing the dance. Which state is also called as Milk Pail of India? The correct answer is D, that is Haryana. With which of the following states of India is the Ghatka dance associated with? The correct answer is B, that is Punjab. So Ghatka is a perform of martial art associated primarily with the Sikh of the Punjab and other related ethnic groups such as Hinkovans. Shigmo is the state festival of which of the following states? The correct answer is A, that is Goa. It is a spring festival celebrated in Indian state of Goa, where it is one of the major festivals of the Hindu community, and it's also celebrated by the Konkani. Who among the following is not a Bharatnatyam dancer? The correct answer is A, Satara Devi. Sitara Devi was an Indian dancer of the classical Kathak style of dancing, a singer and an actress, and she was the recipient of several awards and performed at several prestigious venues in India and abroad. Madhubani art was originated in which state? The correct answer is D, that is Bihar. So the folk art of Bihar, commonly known as Madhubani, refers to the market town of the same name. Jaya Samhita is the original name of, the correct answer is D, that is Mahabharat. So Mahabharat was written down by Lord Ganesha and Mahabharat was narrated by Maharshi Vedvyas. Chennai has been included in the UNESCO Creative Cities Network for its rich tradition. The correct answer is D, that is musical tradition. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted, Chennai's contribution to our rich culture is precious. The Chola dynasty's Nataraj sculpture is made up of which chemical? The correct answer is B, that is bronze. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel and press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.